Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NBEV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. That does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Friday, so that's where the green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, want to get things updated. Although update's probably not really the right word. More so confirmation would be the accurate word. Now update in the sense of if you haven't seen any of the past videos, but really kind of the main point of confirmation came on two fronts. The first front was during the first portion of the day where the price made a nice move upwards, and then it ultimately was rejected right up here around this red line that I've talked about as the level of resistance, and that's exactly where it occurred. Now, it didn't quite hit it, but I think we can all agree, got right up around that 450 mark and did get knocked back down. So first 30 minutes essentially confirmed that, yeah, 450 is going to be a stubborn area, and this is exactly what happened on Friday. A couple of times the price got up around that area, could not push through it. So it wasn't exactly shocking or surprising to see that, the 450 mark once again provided an area of resistance. But the point here being, definitely been confirmed as resistance. So if this upwards trend that's occurring right now has any sort of, chance at getting continuation and building itself in the upwards direction, then 450 is certainly, public enemy number one. Now on the flip side of confirmation, talked about this area, the green line here, as being in a level of support. And you can see that later on in the day, or not really the day, more so the morning, price came right down around that area. And that level did indeed hold strong. And then the price spent the remainder of the day just basically going sideways, slightly up above that area. So right down there at the $4 mark is and remains that key level of support that you want to see hold. In the event the price were to fall below $4, the next level of support to watch after that would be that purple line right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. But, don't want to get too far ahead of ourselves because so far so good. The price is holding up very, very nicely above $4. So again, in a nutshell, key level of resistance that's been confirmed, 450. Key level of support that's been confirmed down here at 4. The week is young, although a bit goofy given Thanksgiving and stuff is this week with partial, days and all that. But we'll see how things continue to play out. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.